One. G'day all, welcome back to another Ash Applications video. In front of us we have a brand new Slouch Hat and accoutrements, fresh from the clothing store, and we're just doing up this hat for Benno. So Benno lost his hat, just misplaced it when he got out of the army several years ago, so here's his new hat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use an alternate method of placing the hat badge, or the core badge, onto the front of the Pugaree. Previously we've done it the old fashioned way, just using an appropriately sized screw. But what we're going to do and try and see if this works is we're going to use a drill and a drill bit. And we're going to take the Pugaree off the hat, obviously, place it onto a firm surface, mark the holes, drill it, because they are notoriously hard and difficult to get those hat badges into. So we'll see how we go and see if this makes it a little bit easier for us. Righto, so we've just pushed the hat badge up against the Pugaree where we want it, nice and central. The two hat pins make a small indentation on the Pugaree, and then you just highlight it just by pushing the end of the pencil in there, and that gives us our holes to aim for when we start drilling. Let's see how this goes. Righto, so we've just got this block of lumber here that we're going to use as our working surface. Place the Pugaree down. I've just got a hole punch. I'm just going to place onto the top of the poles there, just to give us a nice pilot hole. And then we can start the drilling. So I've got the a 2mm drill bit placed in here, Sutton's drill bit. That's one. It's two. Alright, so it worked well. Holes went all the way through. We'll just give it a test run with the hat badge while we've got it off the hat. Let's see if that works. Alright, so there we go, it fits in. We'll just see if that's level and square when we put it on the hat, and then we can fix it up. Yeah, let's see if we can get this lined up, see if it worked. Okay, so the hat badge is firmly on the Pugaree now, and we'll just push that through into the hat itself. There we go. Rightio, so there she is. She's on. The drill worked really well actually. Rightio, continuing to work on Benno's hat here. We've fixed everything on there, the Pugaree, the hat badge, the rising sun on the side there. I've got the chin strap underneath all sorted, just got to put it on his head to make sure it measures and we place the buckle in the right spot. Now you can see how it's got that massive big bow in it. Okay, being straight from the clothing store. That's perfectly normal. I haven't bashed the hat as well. That's a factory from the clothing store bash as well, so you can see the difference between that and the other hats that I have. So yeah, I'm going to iron this up. Once I've ironed it, I'll put it in a Slouch Hat carrier, keep it nice and firm, and it'll dry into a solid state. Being in a Pugaree, they're quite soft, and they're quite easy to put back into shape. So we'll see how we go. Yep, so there you go, Benno's hat, freshly ironed, starched, placed into the Slouch Hat carrier. This is a rustic 3, just one of the many patterns that we have available now on our eBay store. I hope Benno likes it. We'll see how we go. The only thing that I haven't done is I haven't bashed the front of the hat, or the crown. See what Benno wants. If he wants me to bash it, then hey, Benno, I'll bash it for you, my friend. But there we go, that's how easy that is, and it's quite simple. I'm glad that the technique of using the drill worked out well. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it, and I hope that it saves you a bit of time in the future. Alright, thanks for watching, thanks for your time, bye now.